But from my experience as a minister in the government of Iraq, and in my dealing with Iraq's neighbors, one of the key and most sensitive issues we have is the border issue. Just yesterday, the day before, we had a semi-crisis on the Iraqi-Kuwaiti borders. That we are obliged to do border maintenance according to Security Council resolution, and to remove 2 or 3 houses because they are on the line. Has been demonstration, shooting, and so on. Now, with Syria, I mean, these open borders we have has been the source of all the movement of terrorists, of people. So you have a problems there. With Saudi Arabia, because they are anticipating this chaos in Syria to move into Iraq, really they're spending billions, let's say, to erect a wall, electronic wall, along all their borders. Okay? Now we are engaged with Iran on demarcation of the borders according to previous agreements, both in the Shatt al-Arab and the other way. So also we have been resisting requests from Iran, from Turkey, to open borders. Let the movement of people come for pilgrims, for business, for this. Really, we were the one who were trying to resist. Wait a minute, we are not ready yet. We are not there yet, you see? So, but philosophically, definitely, EU, for instance, in the European Union doesn't make any sense at all. Or the United States, let's say, between states. Latin America, I've traveled, let's say, there also. But really in this part of the world, borders are sensitive issues related to sovereignty, to independence, to defense.